Master Chef Pendry in the house.
What's up?
We are making grilled veggies.
Yep, I'm probably totally doing this the wrong way because I'm not really that much of a cook at all. When I say not really, I mean I've literally screwed up canned soup before.
It's all good. He's learning and doing a really good job.
I'm learning.
Today it was his idea to make me grilled veggies out of our new grill, which is really, really awesome and romantic.
See that?
Guys, cook for your ladies. It's cool stuff. We appreciate it, especially.
Don't you think it's like a sexy thing?
It is sexy. And especially if you're like, you know, fit chicks into like healthy eating. It's romantic and it's super awesome and it's helpful and it's just great.
See, so we can do this, and then we're gonna do some onions, and we're gonna do some zucchini and asparagus, some mushrooms.
This is the Pendry cooking show.
Yeah, there you go.
So this is all the veggies chopped up. We've got onion, zucchini, bell peppers, mushrooms, and asparagus. And then we are going to make miracle noodles, 0 calories for an entire pack. So you're welcome for that.
Yeah.
And riced cauliflower pearls, so fancy. And we're gonna throw pesto on top. It's gonna be awesome.
These are all chopped now. Look at that. Beautifulness. Gonna bring it out to the grill. You know, grill it like a man. I love that.
And look at this gorgeous. We like live in the tropical.
We got a jungle in our backyard. It's pretty cool. And this is our grill.
The grill.
Which I love.
You can see the smoke coming up. We are ready to
Don't worry
roll.
about that side. This is all going on that side.
Yeah, that's
So we're
the
gonna start
meat
with the
side.
onions.
That's the veggie side.
Yeah, we're gonna start with the onions and stuff. Just lay them out here. And then I have a little basket for some of the smaller things. Because, you know,
So
I'm
fancy.
prepared.
Got a
And-
veggie basket. What?
Yeah, and you know, some people go, oh, well, your grill technique is not great. You know what? I screwed up canned soup and now I'm doing this. So I take it where I can get it.
I think that is awesome.
And it's going to be
And you're
delicious in the
doing
end.
great.
Even though my technique could be better.
Your technique is flawless.
Oh, thanks, love. Appreciate it.
Everybody, give this video a thumbs up if you think his technique is flawless. I know I do. Woo!
All right, good. All right, so we'll put that there. This will go on later. We'll give it a few minutes. There we go. That's what it looks like. Got my Zevia. Stevia sweetened cola.
on this?
Yes, garlic.
Okay, so
So we're putting a little garlic. We got the grilled veggies. We got, so I kind of did that. Hana-li tag team. She did the cauliflower and the other miracle noodles. No noodles, is that what they're called?
Miracle noodles.
Miracle noodles.
And
Now we're gonna eat. Feast. Yay!
that was delicious
Yes, it was yummy. Very yummy.
and nutritious.
And nutritious.
Yep, that happened.
It was actually really good. And I am totally full. And
So full.
yeah.
We have veggies left over too. I'm gonna make them later with hummus and lettuce and vinegar and make like a little grilled veggie salad thing. It's gonna be great.
There you go. All right. That's the end of this video. We wanted to show you guys our food.
Yeah, and eating clean does not have to be boring.
It's true. I do eat clean sometimes. All right, you guys are awesome. Hey, like and comment. Let us know what you thought, and also any questions you have, and also subscribe because
That one.
you know that's a good thing.
Yeah, we're gonna have lots more fun content
Oh yeah,
covering all kinds of things.
like long distance relationships because we dealt with that one.
Yes.
And what do you do with a husband that doesn't cook at all?
And what can you do like date nights without watching TV?
Oh,
how
yeah,
to be
that's a good one.
productive and have fun and romantic. It's gonna be a lot of good stuff coming your way.
Yeah.
So definitely subscribe.
All right, the happy couple, we're out.